on the other side, right? 2475. JetBlue 1464, exit to the right, join Hotel to Lima.
Alright, exit to the right, Hotel Lima for JetBlue 1464.
JetBlue 1464 at Lima, cross runway 25 right, ground point 75.
Alright, we'll cross 25 right at Lima and 0.75 for JetBlue 1464 here.
You too, thank you. Delta 1177, join Hotel all the way down to Quebec, please.
Hotel down to Quebec, Delta 1177.
Delta 1177 at Quebec, cross runway 25 right, contact ground point 75.
Cross 25 right and 0.75, Delta 1177.
Make a 64250, number 1, runway 25 left, go to land.
Land runway 25 left, Santa Mexico 642.
Make an 899 at Juliet, hold short, runway 25 right.
And Juliet, hold short 25 right, American 899.
At 1250, a couple minutes for the flow. I'll clear right back.
Cover that, and then 1250.
Make an 899 Juliet, cross 25 right, turn right on Bravo, contact ground point 75, yeah.
Alright, cross 25 right at Juliet, right on Bravo, contact ground point 75, American 899.
American 9783 heavy, visuals 25 left.
American 9783 heavy, LH runway 25 left, clear to land, wind 220 at 11.
Go land 25 left, American 9783 heavy.
Hello, American 959 with you, 25 left.
American 959 LH, heavy jet, short final, heavy will depart the inboard, caution runway turbulence, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, American 959.
Skyway 3499, LA Tower, continue to the full length.
Continue the full length, Skyway 3499.
Air Mako 642, turn right at Quebec, hold short of runway 25 right.
Right on Quebec and hold short, runway 25 right, Aeromexico, 42.
America 27, or 9783 Heavy, taxi Hotel Lima, hold short runway 25 right.
Hotel Lima, hold short 25 right, American 9783 Heavy.
United 1250, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff on that Docker.
136 Heavy. American 136 Heavy, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff. Skyway 3499, LA Tower, caution, wake turbulence at your discretion, runway 25 right, back and wait, traffic will pass.
Wait, back to wait, 25 right, target section, Skyway 3499.
United 1250, contact departure.
Okay,
Air China 601, LS runway 25 left.
Air China 601 Heavy, LA Tower, runway 25 left, clear to land, wind to 220 at 12.
Runway 25 left, clear to land, Air China 601.
Exec jet 660 at Foxtrot, cross runway 25 left, hold short runway 25 right.
Cross 25 left on Fox, hold short of 25 right, exec jet 660.
Exec jet 660 now, cross runway 25 right as well at Foxtrot, turn right on Bravo to the full length and remain high frequency.
Okay, right on Fox, and we're clear to cross 25 right, exec jet 660.
American 9783 Heavy, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo. And actually, cross runway 25 right and contact ground on 0.75.
Clear to cross 25 right and ground 2175, American 9783 Heavy.
Air Mako 642 at Quebec, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo.
Cross runway 25 right.
Lima cross 25 right, ground 0.75, American 959.
That was 6312 LA Tower.
Right.
6312, reset transponder squawk 6760.
6760.
Alaska 283 LA Tower, clear to land.
Clear to land for Alaska 283.
Alaska 283, yes, runway 25 left, clear to land, caution, wake turbulence.
Roger, clear to land 25 left, Alaska 283.
China 601 Heavy, join Hotel westbound, hold short of Quebec.
Hotel westbound and hold short of Quebec, Air China 601.
Be just another minute or so for Skyway 3499. Thanks for your patience.
Okay.
Short of Bravo 17, Air China 601.
That was 3499 on nav Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker 25 right, clear for takeoff. That was 3499, thank you.
Exact 660, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Runway 25 right, good at 660.
Alaska 283, exit Hotel 9 at Lima, hold short, runway 25 right.
Hotel 9, Lima, short of 25 right, Alaska 283.
Yukon 8201 Heavy, LA Tower, expect runway 25 right, full length, and I'll get back to you in a minute.
Roger.
China 61 affirmative.
Close shot off Bravo 17, air channel 61.
Section 660, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker 25 right, clear for takeoff. 660.
That was 6312, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
25 right, line up and wait. That was 12.
Sky was 3499, contact departure.
Roger, Sky was 34.
Second 1331, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker 25 right, clear for takeoff, American 1330.
Philippine 113 Heavy, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 25 right, Philippine 113 Heavy.
Alaska 322, contact circuit departure.
Thank you. Tower Airlines 339 inbound ILS 25 left.
Runway 339, LA Tower, Heavy, supply the inboard, caution wake turbulence, runway 25 left, clear to land, wind 23012.
25 left, clear to land, Falcon 3.
Con 8201 Heavy, cross runway 25 right, turn right on Bravo, taxi the full length, please.
Cross 25 right, and Bravo, full length, on it, full heavy.
That is 632, cross runway 25 right, right on Bravo, ground point 75.
Cross 25 right, right on Bravo, ground point 75, yeah, that's perfect.
Philippine 113 Heavy,
041 Heavy, runway 25 left to the line. Spirit 1023, wind 230 at 13, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff. RNAV Docker, 25 right, clear for takeoff, Car 8201 Heavy, runway 25 right, line up away. Car 8201 Heavy, 25 right, line up away. Yukon 8201 Heavy, wind 240 at 13, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff. RNAV Docker 25 right, clear for takeoff, Yukon 8201. Spirit 1023, contact, show got a bar. 500 wait, 1023. United 2406 at Juliet, cross runway 25 right, ground point 75. At Juliet, cross 25 right and ground, United 2406. Yukon 8201 Heavy, contact, show cat departure. Depart carried. Hotel Juliet, cross 25 right, clearance 330.
Tower Sky West, 30 for 5 minutes.
Sky 3018 LA Tower, 777 over the number.
Kirby on Sky West, 30.
Saudia 041 Heavy all the way to Hotel Niner.
All the way to Hotel Niner.
Saudia 041 Heavy confirmed, stand 204.
Confirmed, Saudia 041.
Saudia 041 Heavy, hold short over runway 25 right at Quebec.
I just hold short, runway 25 right at Quebec, Saudia 041. American 1480 is 7 miles from runway 25 left.
Started 1480 LA Tower, wind 24012, runway 25 left, to the land.
Runway 25 left, American 1480.
Saudia 41 Heavy at Quebec, cross, runway 25 right. Contact ground 121.75 after your cross.
I got Quebec to cross runway 25 right and contact ground 121.75 after crossing. Saudia 041.
Yeah, 387 LA Tower traffic's vacating downfield, runway 25 right, lock to land.
Runway 25 right on.
Approved, Skyway 3018, hold short of runway 25 right at Gulf.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to 51 Bravo today, American 1480.
Looks like a good choice.
LAX 25 right and ground 175, American 1480.
Monitor, down, monitor.
It looks nice at night, another light.
Japan 69er Heavy, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Tower, good afternoon. KOS 4731, visual 25 left.
KOS 4731 LA Tower, Dreamliner departs the parallel caution, wake turbulence, wind 24013, runway 25 left to land.
25 left, clear to land, KOS 4731.
United 1789, join Hotel westbound, I'll call you back in a second.
Alright, Hotel westbound, United 1789.
United 1789 at Juliet, cross runway 25 right, ground 0.75.
Cross 25 right at Juliet, 0.75 on the other side, United 1789.
Japan 69er heavy, contact Showcat departure.
Japan 69er, contact Showcat.
Qatari 742 heavy, wind 230 at 11, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, 25 right,
KOS 4731, hold short of Hotel 5.
Hold short of Hotel 5.
KOS 964 Echo, Showcat departure, look back.
Conscious guys 966.
Hotel 246 LA down, plan runway 25 right, to wake turbulence.
Hotel 246, 25 right. Now let's go with 6292 on the visual 25 left.
Hotel 246 at Foxtrot, cross runway at 25 left and hold short of runway 25 right.
At Foxtrot, cross 25 left, hold through the 25 right on Foxtrot Hotel 246.
KOS 69 really down and 25 left to land.
25 left to land.
KOS 4731 at Hotel 5, cross runway 25 right, ground 0.75.
25 right, Hotel 5, ground 175.
Spirit 874, use the second high speed for the RJ here, just for wingtip clearances. Hotel 7 for me.
Alright, Hotel 7, Spirit Wings 874.
Sorry, 8. Target 2475, wind 220 at 11, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV Docker, clear takeoff, 25 right, American 2475.
Hotel 246, runway 25 right, line up and wait, report the departing Airbus in sight.
Hotel 246, 25 right, line up away, we see the American Airbus.
Hotel 246, maintain visual separation with the upwind Airbus, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 25 right, RNAV to Docker, clear for takeoff, Hotel
7517 LA Tower, runway 25 right, line up away.
25 right, line up away, Tower, 25
Target 2475, contact, should get a body.
2475, good.
Hotel 246, contact departure.
Departure, Hotel 246. Lufthansa 462 Echo.
Lufthansa 452 Heavy, Hotel Lima at Lima, cross runway 25 right. Taxi into the ramp area and contact the ramp after you vacate the runway.
Lufthansa 452 Heavy, thank you very much. Hotel Lima cross runway 25 right, taxi into the ramp and then clear of runway contact to the ramp. Thank you.
Chicago 6260, LA Tower, runway 25 right, line up and away.
25 right, line up and away, Chicago 6260.
Spirit 628, Hotel Juliet, and hold short, runway 25 right.
Hotel Juliet, short of 25 right, clear, 628. Docker 25 right, clear for Scott, Skyway 6260.
Big Stripe 322, Los Angeles Tower, wind 210 at 11, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land on 25 left, Big Stripe 322.
We're at 628 at Juliet, cross 25 right, ground point 75.
Cross 25 right at Juliet, ground, clear.